Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about life is short and why we should not waste our time. Life is short, even when it does not feel like it. Days pass slowly, but years pass fast. Many people believe they have unlimited time. They say later or one day. But time moves forward every day, even when we are not paying attention. Wasting time does not always mean doing nothing. Many people are busy all day, but still waste time. They fill their days with tasks that have no meaning. They say yes to things they do not want. They stay in places that do not help them grow. Time is one of the few things we cannot get back. Money can return. Opportunities can return. Time only moves in one direction. Every hour that passes is gone forever. This is not meant to create fear. It is meant to create awareness. When you understand that life is short, your choices become clearer. You start asking better questions. Is this important? Does this help my life? Does this bring value? These questions guide your time in a better direction. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start something. They wait to feel ready. They wait for confidence. But perfect moments rarely arrive. Life happens now. Growth happens when you start, not when you wait. Spending time on what matters brings peace. This can mean learning, resting, creating, or connecting with people you care about. Meaningful time does not need to be productive all the time. Rest and joy are also valuable uses of time. Distractions are everywhere. Phones, social media, and constant noise pull attention away from the present moment. Without noticing, hours disappear. Learning to control attention helps protect time. Attention is the door through which time leaves your life. Saying no is an important skill. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to something important. Protecting your time means choosing carefully where your energy goes. This is not selfish, it is responsible. Fear also wastes time. Fear of change, fear of mistakes, fear of judgment. Fear keeps people stuck in the same place for years. Time passes, but life stays the same. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is action despite fear. Living with intention changes how time feels. When you live with intention, days feel fuller. You remember them better. You feel present. Even simple moments become meaningful when you are truly there. Comparing yourself to others also wastes time. Everyone has a different path. Looking at others creates pressure and confusion. Your time is yours. Use it to build your own life, not to measure someone else's life. Learning is a powerful use of time. Learning keeps the mind alive. It opens new doors. It builds confidence. Even small learning moments add value to your days. Learning English, for example, is an investment in your future. Health is another important area of time. Ignoring health now often leads to problems later. Small daily care saves time in the future. Rest, movement, and good habits protect your energy and your life. Many people realize the value of time only when it is almost gone. They regret not starting earlier, not trying, not expressing themselves. You do not need to wait for regret to change direction. Awareness now is enough. Life does not need to be perfect to be meaningful. You do not need to do everything. You need to do what matters to you. A simple life with purpose is better than a busy life without meaning. Using time well does not mean rushing. Rushing creates stress and mistakes. Using time well means being present. It means choosing depth over speed. Slow, intentional actions create lasting results. Every day is a small life. How you spend today shapes tomorrow. Small choices repeat and become habits. Habits shape years. Years shape your life. This process begins with one day, one choice. In conclusion, life is short and time is precious. Wasting time often happens without noticing. Awareness brings change. When you choose how to spend your time, you choose how to live your life. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for permission. Start with what you have and where you are. Use your time with intention, care, and courage. Life is short, but it can be full of meaning when time is used wisely.